Hey guys, welcome back to Tinselwood Farm here. It's been a couple weeks since I opened these up, and we're gonna go check on them again. So we're gonna start with the smaller one, and today I am going to be adding another brew box on there. It does seem like it's coming around a little bit better, so we're gonna put that brew box on and give that a shot. So let's go ahead and start by removing that first, looking inside of that, checking that out, and then we're going to move to the bigger one. So what we did is we went in and opened that up. There is some brood on half of it in there. The other half is honey. Other than that, I could not find queen in there, so I am not sure if there's the queen in there or not, but I'm gonna put a second brood box on top, and I want to see if there is brood in there next time I come up and check it, or if it's just straight honey. Other than that, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos.